Simplicity and family. These two words might describe the atmosphere of the cleansing procession that Coco held for the groundbreaking of TheCocoLifestyle Resort. The procession is led by a local priest or healer who carries sacred objects and leads the chanting and prayers. Villagers follow, carrying offerings made from organic materials. And this ceremony underscores the Balinese belief in harmonizing the spiritual and physical realms, ensuring that the land is spiritually cleansed and ready to support new developments.
It's a big tradition, what you can see with all the people, the flowers, the clothing, and it was amazing.
For the land, very special to experience this.
To also see how the land was blessed and how everything was so worshipping. This is gonna be amazing.
So nice experience to be able to spread love and good karma and bring good spirits to where the Coco Lifestyle Resort will be.
After the cleansing of the new land ceremony is complete, everyone blends together during a communal meal because Coco believes that the best communication is built on the foundation of family.
Wow! Oh.